What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do part 2 of the shade project for my wife's garden. So please stick around, check out the video, and I will see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so I lined these 2x8s up just to see how well they would fit. It looks like both the boards are twisted, so I'm going to have to go get more 2x8s because I need 3 levels or 3 tiers of two to reach this 24-foot span. So one's gonna go at the top, one's gonna go about right here at the chain link fence line, and then one's gonna go about right here, which is pot height. These right here, pot height, a little bit above those. So what we're doing now is we're gonna be attaching these 2x4s onto the roof line and see if I can give you guys a good advantage. See if this will work. Might hold. There you go. Just attach you guys to the ladder. All right. I don't know if I can do it like this. Might have to bring you guys back when I figure out a better situation, because I'm facing you guys, I'm not facing the roof. Here. Alright everybody, so we're back. Alright, so got a better position. Slide it up, honey.
That is up.
Oh, okay. We're using the Makita 40-volt impact driver. That one cracked. Alright, let's try. Oh. There. This impact driver, I've been pretty impressed with it. I'm going to move you guys. do the best I can to get the angles, but both cracked. I'm not really sure why they're cracking so easy.
Because they don't crack.
Okay. That's those two. You can see it pretty good. There you go. 4, 6, 10 screws should be gone. So 10, 20, 30. All right. I'm not really using the wood on it.
Huh?
I'm not using the wood.
I know, but I'm getting that out of your way so you can have that space.
Go get the other wood. I'll show you guys a couple of them, and then we'll finish them off camera. Because there's only 3 sets to do, so whatever we do off camera is only going to be 2 boards.
We have to take that screw down, don't we?
Oh yeah. Should be able to reach it from here. What I'm doing is over here. So I've just got to take this little mini self-tapper out. Ooh, small. Probably standard. Yeah. asphalt tiling's hot.
Oh yeah. I made the mistake of touching that earlier.
Hope you guys are having a good day so far. Man, here's some thick twist ties.
Give us enough room, right?
It should, yeah.
Alright.
Got it?
Yeah. I'm up as high as I can go.
Okay. Let me turn you guys back this way. Hopefully I'm getting the shots, I have no idea. Okay. We're not the only ones doing construction out here either.
I think our neighbor's finally getting his shed. Or garage, whatever it is.
In his garage. It's on speed 3, by the way. Gotta move you guys.
No. Back down. There we go.
It's not level.
I know, but you're gonna kill my tomato.
It's not like they grow anything anyways.
Don't make me hurt you. You know how long it took me to get that tomato there?
I like that way.
You got 50 other ones.
But I like that one.
Oh, is this one not flush up, huh? It must be bowed.
Yeah, I think it's bowed.
This isn't flush either.
Here, I can do that. Would that make it better?
No, it's not. This.
Yeah.
It doesn't help over here.
Oh.
Oh, whatever. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay.
I'll trade you ladders.
I think it's hanging close enough.
You should be able to see you.
Can you see my hands?
I can see your hand.
Okay. So we're gonna do these 4, and then we're gonna turn the camera off and then do the other 2. And then part 3 will be the 2x8s. The 6 2x8s that need to go on the front of the 4x4s. Really like this 40 volt. Douglas sap fur all over me.
Yep.
Or Douglas fir sap, my bad. Alright, so those are done.
Ow.
It should hold. If it doesn't, I'll buy some more 2x4s. I'll give you guys a closer look. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we put up 20 today. Or on the camera. And then we got to put another 8-footer. 2 more 4x4 8-footers. As you can see, they are 2 of them stacked together. And then we have this project coming up that has been put on hold for like a couple of years.
Yeah.
But this is what it looks like. I think it looks a lot better than 4x4s. 4x4s would have been almost 3/8, almost a little, probably a little over that, about 5/16 thicker, and we don't need that much of a lip. So that's what that looks like, guys. Hope the video has been helpful so far, as well as my thoughts will be coming soon on a separate video strictly about this 40 volt tool. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video. I'm rocking my DeWalt harness rig. But thank you guys so much for sticking around, checking out the video. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. To check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And why these are being put up here, so we could screw into these sacrificial 2x4s instead of screwing into the roof. We're going to be attaching the shade cloth to these 2x4s to that 2x8 up there. So I will see you guys next time. Peace!